Today we're going to learn about certain emotions in Bangla. The first emotion we're going to learn about is happy. You're really happy, but how do you express it in Bangla? Happy means shukhi in Bangla, ba khushi in Bangla. Today we're going to learn about khushi. Happy means khushi in Bangla. I am very happy. I am very happy. Ami onek khushi. Ami onek khushi. Ami onek khushi. I'm very happy. Here, I means ami, very means onek, khushi means happy, or happy means khushi. I am very happy. Ami onek khushi. For another example, we can say, I'm happy to see you. Ami tomake dekhe khushi. Ami tomake dekhe khushi. Ami tomake dekhe khushi. I'm happy to see you. I means ami, happy means khushi, to see means dekhe, you means tomake. I'm happy to see you. Ami tomake dekhe khushi. And the second emotion that we're going to learn about is sad. Sad means dukhi in Bangla. You look sad. Tomake dukhi lagche. Tomake dukhi lagche. Tomake dukhi lagche. You look sad. Here, you means tumi, look means lagche, sad means dukhi. You look sad. Tomake dukhi lagche. For another example, we can say they lead a sad life. Tara dukhi jibon japon kore. Tara dukhi jibon japon kore. Tara dukhi jibon japon kore. They lead a sad life. They means Tara, lead means japon, life means jibon, sad means dukhi. They lead a sad life. Tara dukhi jibon japon kore. And for the last emotion, we're gonna go with angry. Angry means rag in Bangla. I'm angry with her. আমি তার সাথে রাগ করেছি. আমি তার সাথে রাগ করেছি. আমি তার সাথে রাগ করেছি. I'm angry with her. Here, I means আমি, angry means রাগ, with means সাথে, her means তার. I'm angry with her. আমি তার সাথে রাগ করেছি. And for another example, we can say being angry is pointless. Being angry is pointless. রাগ হওয়া অর্থহীন. রাগ হওয়া অর্থহীন. রাগ হওয়া অর্থহীন. Being angry is pointless. Here, being means হওয়া, angry means রাগ, pointless means অর্থহীন. Being angry is pointless. রাগ হওয়া অর্থহীন. That's it for today. If you want to speak like a native Bengali, hit the subscribe, and there are links in the description which will lead you to Tinkers online Bangla tutoring services which are personalized and one-on-one.